All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about this kingdom of God right here. Neither shall they say, Lo here, or Lo there, for behold, the kingdom of God is within you. First of all, what is a kingdom? What is a kingdom? Check this out. Kingdom, the eternal spiritual sovereignty of God or Christ, the realm of this sovereignty, a realm or sphere in which one thing is dominant. Now, this is in the dictionary. All right. The kingdom of God is within you. Now, I'm fixing to break this down for you. Let's see what a human is. First of all, let's start with a man. A human being, regardless of sex or age, a being composed of a body and a soul or spirit, independent in judgment and action. Now, this right here, Hugh, you look up this word right here, you're going to find this word. Now, this right here, hue, man, containing the property of colors by which they can be perceived as ranging from red through yellow, green, and blue as determined by the dominant wavelength of the light. Now, if you are a being, a human being, the state or quality of existence, this is just the life in you makes you a being. Now, we have this, a realm or sphere in which one thing is dominant. Well, this right here, ladies and gentlemen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the 7 candlesticks in the Bible. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Root chakra, sacral chakra, abdominal chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, eye chakra, and crown chakra. Now, this eye chakra right here, this is your pineal gland. This is your pineal gland. Just like Jacob used right here, your pineal, this is where you see God face to face, and my life is preserved. God marks his people in their foreheads, not on their foreheads. So it's inside your forehead, your pineal gland, third eye, whatever you want to call it. This is your perceptory, your antenna, whatever you want to call it, to the Creator himself. When this guy right here opens and you're able to see through the matrix, you become in union with the Creator. Union with the Creator. In this one word right here, Kundalini. Kundalini, that's the rising of the serpent. Serpent represents wisdom. Serpent represents wisdom. Just because the serpent come down and ruled the earth don't mean he's a bad person. It does not. The serpent means wisdom. The dragon is the one that's the bad guy, not the serpent, the dragon. The serpent caused what he calls for spiritual evolution of our soul through these energies right here, working with the serpent, which is the Draco constellation. Now, these are the 12 tribes of Israel. These are natural instincts. Levi, attached. Judah, celebrated. Issachar, he will bring a reward. Zebulun, habitation. Joseph, let him add. Benjamin, son of the right hand. Dan, judge. Naphtali, wrestling. Gad, attack, invade, or overcome, and Asher is happy. All these right here, the natural instincts we are born with. Now, these are the abilities of our brain: the ability to process emotions, mathematical reasoning, verbal reasoning, and this one right here is where your subconscious mind is. This is where your trauma is stored through life, through your soul evolution. Now, this right here, I went down and researched why these right here are different colors. And this is what I found. These are activated within you by these elements: strontium, calcium, sodium, barium, copper, indium, and a combine between copper and strontium in the crown chakra. Now, this right here, the strontium, it reacts with oxygen. It reacts with oxygen. Also, magnesium burns white silver with oxygen, or H2O. No, that's water. What am I thinking? Oxygen, O2, I think. Anyway, oxygen, I can't remember the periodic table, but anyway, this magnesium reacts with oxygen, and it starts off with a red color, then an orange color, and then white. It burns pure white. So this right here is the first layer right here in the crystals of Revelation 21:19 through 21. It is dominant in magnesium. Dominant in magnesium for the core, and strontium on the outside, mixed with some salts. Ladies and gentlemen. Like this right here. Nitrate, carbonate, sulfate, calcium carbonate, chloride, and sulfate. All this right here, it's the same pattern like fireworks. The way fireworks react to flame or fire or heat. It reacts to heat and it burns a certain color, just like chakras, just like our energy. It reacts to, mixed with strontium right here, which also reacts with oxygen within us, gives it its color. And the very core of the earth is white, burning white through magnesium. And this layer right here is strontium, which is red, calcium, sodium, barium, copper, and a combination of copper right here and magnesium and aluminum, which is the white, the core of the earth. All these right here, these are your elements in which what makes up the colors of the chakra.